Hello everyone, welcome to Mike's Coding Class. Today we're gonna learn how to code this, a game called Jump Ball Jump. You can jump over the red spaces, and if you hit the blue spaces, you fail. As you fail, they show you game over and count all your scores as the one you passed, how many you passed. So if you want to check that, if it's true, count 1, and now they show you 1. So let's start. Now I open my coding editor, Visual Studio Code, open a new file, Control N, go to where I want to save it as, coding, right here, and then we're going to say game.html. Now we're going to call this jump ball jump 2 ball jump by Micah. Save, move back here, open the game folder, and now you can see jump ball jump by Micah. And now let's start. Now I'm gonna put div, and then I'm gonna say hashtag game. That's the game folder. And then we're gonna say div block. Outside that div, I'm gonna say div id pull, and the last thing we need to do is div id character. Save, refresh. You're not seeing anything now until we lay some code onto it. Now let's open our new file, Control N, save it, Control Shift S, game.css. Now we'll go to our HTML file, say link game.css to game.html. Now let's start. We're gonna say padding 0, margin also 0, and now let's move to designing the game. Hashtag game width 400 pixels, height 500 pixels, and then border 1 pixel solid black. And now margin auto, moving it to the center. That's what margin auto means. So if we save, move back here and refresh, now you see our box side just like this, but without color. And before we do that, we're gonna say background color equal to green. Save, refresh, and now we're looking good like here. Now let's continue. Now we're gonna say block, hashtag block width 50 pixels, height 500 pixels, background color blue, position relative, and left 400 pixel. If you want this left to work, you have to give it a position of relative so it can work. Now you see it's here. Now let's do some animation so it can move to the right. So now let's say keyframe block 0% left on the left, and that 0% is gonna be 50 pixel, and then when it's 100%, and then we're gonna say left minus 500 pixels, 50 pixels I mean, and this is supposed to be 400 pixels, not 450 pixel. Save, refresh. It's not working until we lay it in. So now we're gonna say animation block 2 seconds, infinite linear. So that means it's gonna move 2 seconds at a time, and it's gonna be infinite. So if we save, refresh, and now you see it moves, but our block is coming outside, not very professional. Unlike this, you see it passes and come back again. So let's do that. Now we're just gonna go back to our game ID, and say overflow hidden. Save, refresh, and now it's going, it's coming back, it's going, it's coming back. So, but if you remove this infinite right here and save, it's only gonna do one time and stop. That's it. Save as not infinite. It's gonna repeat as long as the time continues. So now we're gonna do another, the whole function, the whole div whole. Now we're gonna say width 50 pixels, height 150 pixel, background color red, position relative left. Yeah, remember, you can't work without that position relative. 400 pixels, 100 pixels. Top minus 500 pixels, minus 500 pixels, and then we're gonna put in the same animation block 2 seconds, infinite linear. Save. Back here is going to continue with this guy on top, him, and now last thing we need to do is our character. So now we can say character width 20 pixels, height also 20 pixels, also 20 pixels, background color line, position relative absolute, and top 100 pixels, and last thing, border radius, so we can make it a circle 50%. Save, refresh, and now you see it's a circle and it moves. And that's it, guys. That's it for this video, and watch out for part 2. I hope you like, subscribe, so you can be able to watch part 2, and try to do more of these on your own. And thank you to all my new subscribers, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so if I post any new videos, you'll be the first to know. My name is Micah, and this was Micah's coding class. Thank you.